Yes, today we're going to install Windows 10 official release on my laptop running Windows 8.1. I used a USB installer because I didn't want to wait for Microsoft to notify me that the new operating system was ready. I have been waiting for a couple of days and so far with no avail. So I ran the USB installer from inside Windows 8.1 and now ready to go. We're gonna grab some updates and it's gonna take a while as usual. Now Windows is going to prepare the installation and it will require a couple of minutes for it to do so. It takes a while for this phase to finish, and now we're actually ready to install. You can choose to keep your personal file and apps or go for fresh install. Now we're going to start the actual installation procedure and it'll take a while. So I'm going to pause the video and resume it in a little bit. So the first thing I want to talk about in this video about Windows 10 is the new so-called start menu. So-called because it's only limitedly working like the old start menu, even though there are some important steps forward. In fact, here you can recall File Explorer, which is Windows Explorer practically, settings, a little bit like Control Panel, Power, and all programs. So it's a little bit recalling the old start menu, but not completely. Anyway, it's always much better than the so-called start screen in Windows 8.1 that, thank God, they had totally removed. You only have this so-called universal apps here in the start menu, which I don't normally use because I don't like having full screen applications. Under this point of view, though, I gotta tell you that Windows made a progress because actually now you can close them. There's a close button, thank God. So, as to the start menu, I could say good job, but something better could have been done, but I believe you can customize it, so it's much better than Windows 8.1 for sure. As to performance, I didn't play much because I upgraded my laptop just tonight, so I didn't have time to play around with it, even because I don't use Windows as my main operating system. I use OS X. But for all I can see, it performs much better and it's much faster and stable, which is good news because that's what I care for. Alright, now I'm going to talk about other new features before talking about Edge browser, which is probably the most important news in Windows 10 along with Cortana. One of the most innovative features here is the so-called task view you can see here. If you click it, it shows you a view of the currently open windows. Now I don't have much open, but say I can open a couple of programs just for show. Now you see that I have Chrome and Jing. A little bit slow, not to say Chrome here, but anyway. I didn't launch any application so far, so anyway, not bad overall. This is something new that makes it easy to work with several applications at the same time, and even though I don't think it's something really innovative because the new OS X version, El Capitan, implemented something similar called Split View that in my opinion works much better. I tested it, but Anyway, everything helping productivity deserves kudos. So, all right. So this is the task view. You'll notice you can add new desktops. For example, here I got an empty desktop, or I can create a new one by clicking here. Another interesting feature that's being maintained is the so-called Snap Assist. So if I snap a window to the left, for example, and then I snap another one, you'll see that Windows automatically rearranges them in the most optimal way for you. This is pretty cool.